Hey there, it's Retarget here, and in this video I want to give you a quick start into Connect Video so you know exactly what it is, how it works and how to use it. So first of all, what is Connect Video and why should you use it? Well, as you probably already know, as an advertiser, retargeting audiences are the most important audience to target. It's really hard to run ads on Facebook without having some kind of retargeting in place because most people don't buy right away. They don't just see your ad for the very first time and immediately sign up as a client, right? That's why retargeting has always been so effective. But now that iOS 14 is live, Facebook isn't able to track all of their Apple users. So everyone who's on an iPhone or iPad, they won't be able to be tracked like they were used to, which means that normal retargeting using the pixel isn't working as effectively as it once was. And that's why we created Connect Video, because if we look at our business, our number one strategy to get people to know, like and trust our brand is using video. And the beautiful thing is that when you post a video on Facebook or on Instagram, Facebook can fully track that. Facebook has complete access and they're not blocked by, for example, iOS 14. But the problem is to then retarget all your video watchers like normally natively with Facebook. That's not ideal. And that's why we created Connect Video to create super video audiences. Now, what's a super video audience, you ask? Well, it's an audience that you can easily create within a minute, even less than that. And it will automatically include all the videos that you've posted on your Facebook or Instagram profile, right? So even if you already posted, let's say 300 videos on your Facebook business page, you will just create an audience and all those videos will be automatically included inside that audience, as I will show you in just a minute. And even better, let's say tomorrow or the next week or the next month, you upload more videos to your Facebook business page or your Facebook business profile, then automatically we'll be checking every single day, like, hey, did you create a new video on your Facebook business page or Instagram business profile? If so, we'll be adding that into the audience. In other words, we'll be automatically updating that audience for you every single day. So how does it work? Let me show you right now. So to open Connect Video, we're going to go into retarget your video watchers, and then we're going to click on create an audience. And right here, first of all, we're going to select how long should someone have watched my video. For example, 3 seconds or maybe, for example, 50%. And obviously the longer you go for, right, the higher intent someone has because they watch more of your video, but it will be a smaller audience, or because there will be fewer people who've actually reached to that point. So let's say we're going to go for, let's say 15, let's say 10 seconds actually. And then right here we can choose the retention. So how long ago should it, even if they watched it a certain amount of days ago, they should still be included. So you could go for 30 days, 5 days, you can go all the way up to 365 days. So let's say, for example, I would go for like half a year, right? 180 days. I'm gonna click on next, and then right here you can give the name. And I'd recommend to give a clear name so you can always find it easily later on. And then next you can actually select what you actually want to use. For example, just a Facebook page, or maybe Facebook or Instagram, or perhaps both. So let's say we go for Facebook, for a Facebook page. We select the Facebook page that we want to use, and you select the ad account that you want to create the audience into. And then you hit create audience, and boom, automatically you've already created your super video audience, and Connectio will then automatically start gathering all the videos that you posted on your Facebook page, as well as updating it on a daily basis as well. And obviously, even if you post a video onto your Facebook page right here, you can still use it inside your ads as well by selecting use existing post on the ads level inside your Facebook Business Manager. Once you've created your super video audience, it will automatically show up inside the audience section inside your Facebook Business Manager. Now, what's good to know as well is that it will take a while for Facebook to fully update it. So initially, it will still say populating until it's actually been resolved. And then once it's all done, you can use it inside your ads targeting. You can do that inside the Ads Manager by going to the ad set level, which is where you set up your Facebook ads targeting. In other words, who's going to see your Facebook ad. And that's where you can then select at the audience section, you can select your super video audience right here. And that's how you can still retarget all your video watchers without having to worry about pixels or tracking or iOS 14 or any of that stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.